Hello everyone! Have you ever struggled with stripped screw holes, broken plastic parts, or loose cables? Today, I'm going to show you an incredible hack using just a simple cotton ball and super glue to fix almost anything around your house. Ready to see how? Let's dive in. First, I'm taking a small piece of cotton and shaping it into a small ball. I'm placing this cotton ball onto a wooden block. I'm applying a generous amount of super glue directly onto the cotton ball. It soaks right in, creating a solid mass. Watch this. The cotton ball hardens instantly. I'm hitting it with a hammer, and it's rock solid. The cotton and glue have formed an incredibly durable patch. To demonstrate its strength, I'm now drilling and screwing into the repaired area. The screw goes in perfectly and holds strong, just like new wood. This is perfect for stripped screw holes or small imperfections. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Let's tackle a broken plastic tab, a common issue on car or motorcycle parts. I'm applying super glue to the broken area. I'll take a small amount of cotton and wrap it around the base of the broken tab. Then, I'll apply super glue to saturate the cotton, allowing it to bond firmly with the plastic. The glue saturates the cotton, creating a strong, reinforced bond. Now for frayed cables. My audio cable is starting to break near the jack. To reinforce it, I'm going to wrap a small strip of electrical tape around the frayed section. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'll take a thin strip of cotton and carefully wrap it around the tape, ensuring full coverage. Apply super glue liberally to the cotton, making sure it soaks in completely. This creates a strong, flexible, and protective layer. Once dry, the cable is much stronger and less prone to breaking. A quick and effective fix for common cable wear and tear. Moving on, I have a white phone charger with some scuffs and a small crack. Here's a common problem: a damaged phone charger. The plastic casing has cracked and exposed the internal components, making it unsafe. I'm going to apply cotton around the cracked areas and then saturate it with super glue, ensuring the glue penetrates all layers and bonds the broken plastic back together. The glue quickly hardens the cotton, creating a smooth and solid surface, effectively filling the imperfections. Now, I'm using a utility knife to carefully trim away the excess hardened cotton from the charger, getting it as close to the original shape as possible. Finally, I'll use sandpaper to smooth the repaired area, giving it a clean, almost new appearance. This charger is now functional and safe to use again. Here, I'm showing a wooden panel with stripped screw holes where a hinge was once attached. As you can see, the existing holes are too large to hold the screws securely. I'm taking a small amount of cotton and carefully stuffing it into each of the stripped screw holes. I make sure to pack it in tightly to fill the void. I'm applying super glue directly onto the cotton in the screw holes, letting it soak and harden. Then, I'm using my electric drill to drive the screws back into the cotton-filled holes. The hardened cotton provides an excellent anchor for the screws, making the hinge firm again. Another common household issue, a pulled-out screw from a wall. This leaves an unsightly and unusable hole. I'm filling the hole with cotton, packing it tightly with a small tool. I'm pushing cotton into the hole, ensuring it fills the entire space. Then, I'll apply super glue to the cotton, allowing it to expand and solidify within the wall. After it dries, I'm re-drilling the hole and then reinserting the screw. You can see it's now perfectly secure. Finally, I'm hanging a clock directly onto the newly repaired wall, showcasing how the simple cotton and super glue fix can hold substantial weight. Finally, let's repair a broken pipe with a large hole. I'm using a ruler to measure the dimensions of the hole. It currently offers no structural integrity. This would normally require replacing the entire section. I'm taking a smaller piece of PVC pipe and marking out a section with a marker, making sure the measurements match the hole in the larger pipe. Then, I'm using scissors to carefully cut out the marked section. I'm now taking the small, cut PVC piece and fitting it into the hole on the pipe. To add strength, I use a zip tie to hold the insert while the glue cures, then remove it once solid. This creates a strong internal bond. Next, I'm covering the entire patched area with cotton, building up a protective layer. I'll saturate the cotton with super glue, making sure it hardens into a strong waterproof seal. This creates a solid repair that can withstand pressure. I then add additional layers of super glue to thoroughly saturate the cotton, ensuring a completely solid and robust patch. Once dry, I use a utility knife to carefully trim any excess material and then sand the surface smooth, making the repair virtually invisible. Finally, I'll use sandpaper to smooth the repaired section, making it almost undetectable. This pipe is now fully functional and ready for heavy use. Incredible results with simple materials. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Bye. See you in the next video.